सत श्री अकाल। सूही महला चौथा। जहवा हर रस रही अगाई. If you are able to taste on your tongue the true rus of the Lord, the benefit, the flavor, the color, His hand, His presence, if you are truly able to feel the rus of His Vani, then you are in a state of bliss and happiness. Gurmukh pive sahaj samai. If the Gurmukh, if you drink this ras and you look forward to it and you seek that ras and you continue to drink from it, you are in a state of eternal peace. Sahaj samai. Har ras jas chakhe je bai. Hey brothers and sisters, hey people around, if you are able to taste that ras on your tongue, which means that you are already you believe in God, you are close to Him. If you are able to see the benefit of being close to Him, if you are able to feel His presence around you, if you are able to know and understand His influence in your life, if you're able to literally feel Him, taste Him within you, then to kat anat saad lobai. Then why are you running after all the other tastes and other flavors? Why are you enticed by the other flavors and other influences and temptation around you? Because if you know I can feel the benefit of the path of righteousness, why do you allow yourself to get strayed and to get influenced by those alternate paths that can take you away from the Lord? Rahau. Gurmat ras rakhe urdhar. If by the Lord's grace, right, if His mat, if you are able to take Guru's blessings, Guru's Bani and the ras from Guru's Bani and Shabad, if you are able to keep it within you, within your heart, har ras rate rang murar, then you are filled, and your entire body, your being, your soul, you are blessed and filled with the different colors and flavors of that devotion, and you can completely feel the different colors of your murar, of the Lord above you. There is an explosion within you of the different virtues, the different colors, the different phases, the different influences, the different ways that God can be around you, and you are able to see that, be grateful for that, and moreover accept that. That is the gift, that is what you get when you are able to taste Him and keep His Bani and His mat within you. Manmukh har ras chakhiya na jai. Unfortunately, those that do not follow God, those who are unfamiliar with devotion, they don't know how to taste this ras. They don't know how to come on this path, and they are unable to even get it in their mouth, let alone taste it. This is not a physical get into the mouth. This is they're unable to accept it. The Bani, the knowledge, it is the body is providing a resistance where this knowledge is not in a position to even make its way inside their mind and consciousness. Why is that devotion, the knowledge, unable to go inside the consciousness? Because the thoughts, your mind and your consciousness is filled with ego. Haume kare bahoti mile sajai. If you are filled with your own ego and arrogance and self-centeredness and overconfidence about your own abilities, then how can anything else enter your consciousness? You are devoid of acceptance of anything other than yourself. But when you get on this path, there is a time where you will get sajai. You will be punished, and not punished physically or mentally. It is a figurative speech where there are dues to be paid. There is always a reckoning, and when that reckoning happens, you will realize your folly. Nadar kare ta har ras pave. But if you still accept the Lord, if you still are able to come to Him and accept Him, and He so chooses, you will still get the blessing and the gift of His devotion. And once you have that, you will be able to understand Har Da Ras and get it. And once, whoever it is, when we get Harida Ras, when we are able to understand the joy and the beauty and the flavors and the colors of Lord's devotion, love and affection, then Nanak Har Ras Har Gun Gave. That Hari, that Ras is within us. We are drenched in His love and affection, and when we are drenched in His love and affection and His colors are on us, all we want to do is Har Gun Gave, sing His praises, be humble and understand His greatness, and give ourselves and submit ourselves to Him, because only once we do that, He is able to guide us and take us to our true destiny. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.